Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's episode will be continuing the West Ham United rebuild. It will be episode 28. Today we'll just be focused on the FIFA Club World Cup. Our first game will be against none other than MLS team Seattle Sounders. So let's get right into it. So I'm going to rotate the squad a lot. Due to there's going to be a lot of fitness issues. I still need a strong attacking. So I'm bring on Palacios. I'm gonna take off. Let's bring on Maingan. Let's bring on Swiatek. Neutral rest. And let's get let's bring on Bergwijn. There we go. Yeah, that's a bit better. This video is not sponsored. Because let's into this game against Seattle Sounders. Hope we can get the results. Not half time, so I'm going to bring on Bernardeschi. You can say he's our weapon. He always steps up to the plate when we need him. Let's bring on Declan Rice. Renato Sanchez scores. We are moving on. So I just don't know how to pronounce this guy's name, but he takes some of the man of the match. So in the finals, we're playing against Yuslan Hyundai. So we're just gonna get training done. Now I'm gonna get the strongest lineup possible. Jules Conde up to 87. Let's look at his stats. 89 times. Okay, that is just too good to see. Okay, here's the finals. I'm do the best starting lineup I can ever think of. Bakayoko, get in there. Declan Rice can get in there. Du Bois can get in there. Get in there. You can get in there. And then Asdal can get in there. Renato Sanchez. Yes, can get in there. Renato Sanchez can get in there. Then we're just gonna get Everton's stamina to 100. Yeah, that's the best starting lineup I can think of. Come on, please. This is just the last season I'm doing this. Please just give us time. Please, please, please. 0-0. I'm gonna bring on this guy because he had such a good game last game. Bring on Declan Rice. Bring on Bakayoko. Please don't make this go into extra time. Let's go, Bernardeschi. Let's go. Bernardeschi. What a signing he has been. What a signing he is. Bernardeschi. Sorry guys for the glitch. I don't know. The letters are glitched, but I just don't know what's happening. But Bernardeschi. Let's go. Oh, I don't know how happy I am. Yeah, the letters are glitched. I just don't know why. Let's go. We'll take it. $7.5 million. I'm def. Oh, let's go. I am so happy. I'm still gonna go with my full stream starting lineup for this one, but like I said, it was just gonna be this episode was just gonna be all about the FIFA World Cup. Next episode we'll continue with the Premier League and Nottingham Forest in the Cup. So you guys just stay to that. But just please like, subscribe, and comment. Peace out.